Welcome back to the season finale of the reality show everyone looks forward to, Losing It. Sunday nights definitely won't be the same without it. So we've brought in the scale and the contestants are ready and waiting. Remember, for every pound lost, they gain $500, and for every pound gained, they lose $500. Today, they will not only find out their final weight, but they will find out just how much money they'll walk away with. Just a reminder that each contestant started out with a $10,000 purse. It's time for the Cash for Pound weighing. Teams, are you ready? Yellow team, you're up first. Ava, let's go. Ava, last week you weighed 245 pounds. Please take the scale. Ava, your current weight is 246 pounds. You've gained 1 pound this week. You started out at 256 pounds, which means the total weight you've lost is 10 pounds. And the total amount you'll take home is $15,000. Good job, Ava. Berga, you're up next. Please come forward. Berga, last week you weighed 216 pounds. Please take the scale. Berga, your current weight is 211 pounds. You've lost 5 pounds this week. Now, Berga, you started out at 260 pounds, which means the total weight you've lost is 49 pounds. And the total amount you'll take home is $34,500. Good job, Berga. Good job, yellow team. Red team, you're up next. Sarah, please come forward. Come on, Sarah. Sarah, last week you weighed 232 pounds. Please take the scale. Sarah, your current weight is 227 pounds. You've lost 5 pounds this week. Now, Sarah, you started out at 254 pounds, which means the total weight you've lost is 27 pounds. Good job, man. And the total amount that you'll be taking home is $23,500. Yes. Thank you so much, Sarah. Andre, you're up next. Please step forward. Andre, last week you weighed 244 pounds. Please take the scale. Andre, your current weight is 242 pounds. You've lost 2 pounds this week. Now, Andre, you started out at 278 pounds, which means the total weight you've lost is 36 pounds. And the total amount you'll take home is $28,000. Good job, Andre. Good job, red team. Now it's on to the blue team. Jade, please step forward. Jade, last week you weighed 231 pounds. Please take the scale. Jade, your current weight is 234 pounds. You've gained 3 pounds this week. a good job, Jed. Now, you started out this journey at 290 pounds, which means the total weight you've lost is 56 pounds. Good job, Jed. Great job. And the total amount you'll take home is $38,000. Good job, Jade. And finally, Kim, please step forward. Kim, last week you weighed 187 pounds. Please take the scale. Kim, you now weigh 185 pounds. You've lost 2 pounds this week. You started out at 229 pounds, which means the total weight you've lost is 44 pounds. And the total amount you'll take home is $32,000. Good job, Kim.